who is an ideal victim of sexual abuse.
The explanation offered by the complainant that after the perpetration of the act she was tired and fell asleep is unbecoming of an Indian woman. That is not the way our women react when they are ravished.
I do not think that marital rape should be regarded as an offense in India because it will create absolute anarchy in families, and our country is sustaining itself because of the family platform which upholds family values.
Instances of women behavior are not unknown that a feeble no may mean a yes.
If a girl of 10 or 12 years who is a virgin and whose hymen is intact is subjected to rape by a fully developed man, there are likely to be injuries on the male organ of the man. No injury was, however, detected by the doctor on the male organ of any of the two accused. The absence of such injuries of the accused would thus point to their innocence.
Why are we so quick to blame the victim and defend the accused? The judgment cultivates the notion of an ideal standard of behavior that a victim of sexual abuse must meet, which puts the onus of the abuse on them, thus increasing their trauma. It is revolting to imagine that our judiciary still blames the victim when it comes to sexual assault. All these statements account for rape culture. In rape culture, sexual abuse is treated as the norm and victims are blamed for their own assault. This protects abusers, shames victims, and demands that women make unreasonable sacrifices to avoid sexual assault. It treats sexual abuse as a problem to be solved through improving the behavior of potential rape victims rather than improving the behavior of potential rapists. Stereotypes like this prevent women from reporting crimes because they know they will be blamed. If the very system that is supposed to give us justice is the one shaming us, how are we expected to take action?